There's a potluck lunch on the beach. We go on a cruise to an underwater paradise. And several celebrations in the harbor.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Some sailors in the harbor organized a potluck on the beach. Everybody who came brought their own drinks and food to share. Sailors from different countries enjoyed a nice afternoon together with some music, talking, dancing, eating, drinking, and swimming. Slowly, the harbor is getting full again. Sailors from the north have a quick stop on their way to the Canaries. Also, people are coming back north from the Canaries to enjoy the spring in Porto Santo. Here's the Skellic coming back from La Gomera.
Welkom terug! Yo!
We have another concert in the harbor from Harry and Maria. Harry is leaving the next day to the Azores for the summer, so this was his farewell concert.
And an applause for the crowd. Don't mind me, I'm not here.
Flashback, warm nights, almost left behind. Suitcase of memories. Time after, sometimes you picture me. I'm walking too far away. You calling to me. I can't hear what you say. You say, go slow. I fall behind. The second and why. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. Time after time.
Maria.
We went with the Underwater Paradise Cruise. This catamaran electric motorboat is resident in our harbor and has a glass bottom, so you can see the fish swimming under the boat. Our hosts, Z and Marco, built this boat and now provide tours of the area and sea life. First, you go to Ilha de Cima, also known as Sun Island because of a rock formation on the side, with the lighthouse on the top.
That's something you don't see very often.
What?
Two of us together in a film.
Oh.
There are a lot of fish swimming around, and you can also go swimming with the fish.
I seen the one there. Oh my goodness! That was so close! Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Big fat fish.
Camping.
Oh, I'm out.
Are you feeling Thomas?
Come here on this trip. You get to go snorkeling and swimming and diving in a beautiful location.
Big barracuda, sharks, dolphins,
Mermaids. Good tour guides. Life is good here. Come to Look, you even get wine and cookies. Great cruise. Very good cruise. Nice people, good area, beautiful boat. Oh yeah. There.
The other one is a something the eagle now. Wow. He's protecting his team more or less. They're asking people, there's a website, the SPEA, S-P-E-A. If someone's spotted, just inform the time they saw it and where.
Okay.
They need help.
The next place is an old warship, Corvette General Pereira de Echa, that in 2016 was purposely sunk to a depth of 30 meters in order to serve as an artificial reef. It is visited by the many diving schools here in Porto Santo.
Glass bottom.
It would keep us busy every day, even in the marina. Let's see if we can see the
There's the leader.
The Underwater Paradise is truly a wonderful cruise, and we highly recommend it when visiting Porto Santo. It's King's Day in the Netherlands. the birthday of King Willem-Alexander. We put up a new Dutch flag and we decorated Make My Day with some little orange and red, white, and blue flags. We got invited by Peter and Monique on De Liefde to have a traditional Dutch oranjebitter. Dressed in orange, we go to their mooring and we had a nice party on their boat.
You're welcome. Cheers.
Thank you, lad.
Kind of orange.
Ah, dankjewel.
Dank je.
Ja. Volgens mij, ik heb er hier nog één nodig, of niet?
Ja, klopt.
Oh. Ja? Oh, oké.
Nog niet drinken, hè? Want
Even wachten,
we
jongen.
moeten nog iets speciaals doen natuurlijk, hè, voor de kiem.
Allemaal opstaan.
Niet zien?
Anders van Nassau ben ik van Duitse bloed. Het vaderlandsgetrouwe blijf ik tot in den dood. Heb ik altijd geëerd. Lang leven de koning! Hoera, hoera, hoera! Lekker hè?
Nee.
Leeft hij eigenlijk nog?
De trekkast die maakt weer lawaai.
Van de jukebox. Alex! Alex! Heel zwaar leven. Echt heel zwaar.
The next day, there was a flea market in the harbor. There is a tradition in Porto Santo. On the 5th Sunday after Easter, 5th of May this year, all the boats in the harbor that wanted it got blessed.
Abençoai este barco e guardai-o no vosso amor.
Em nome do Pai, do Filho e do Espírito Santo, Deus nosso Pai, abençoai este barco e todos que nele habitam, para que sejam sinais visíveis do teu amor. Glória ao Pai, ao Filho e ao Espírito Santo, como era no princípio, agora e sempre. Amém.
Obrigado, Senhor. Deixa a terra nos beneja. Vai o teu povo embora. As nossas almas visitas, nossos passos em casa. Espírito Santo, vos pedimos com fervor. Abençoai este barco e guardai-o no vosso amor.
Em nome do Pai, do Filho e do Espírito Santo, Deus nosso Pai, abençoai este barco e todos os que nele habitam, para que sejam sinais visíveis do teu amor. Glória ao Pai, ao Filho e ao Espírito Santo, como era no princípio, agora e sempre. Amém.
Obrigada.
Give me the beat,